Hello everyone, welcome to the Unplanned Way. In this video, we will be showing you around the spectacular city of San Francisco located in the state of California in the United States of America. Rolling hills, stunning ocean views, and pretty streets lined with colorful and cute houses, San Francisco has it all. Our first spot was the Golden Gate Bridge, one of the most iconic part of San Francisco. The bridge is almost 2 miles long and 750 feet high. It has a pedestrian walkway from where you can see amazing views across the bay and over the Pacific Ocean. It is also said to be the world's most photographed bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge connects San Francisco Bay with the Pacific Ocean. Driving on the Golden Gate Bridge is an amazing experience. After those stunning views of the bridge, we headed to a local restaurant to savor some delicious Mexican food. The beautiful San Francisco is incomplete without its traditional cable cars. It has been the city's primary transportation system for over 30 years. There are 3 routes. Powell Hyde and Powell Mason are the most popular ones. They usually run every 10 minutes. San Francisco has many unique and different looking streetcars. Try out one of the cable cars, it is a unique experience. This is Fisherman's Wharf, a world-renowned tourist destination since 1970. You can spend time by the waterfront and enjoy a relaxed meal. We tried some mouth-watering clam chowder served in a bread bowl at one of the seafood restaurants at the Pier. This is the Alcatraz Island and is a popular attraction among tourists. Formerly an escape-proof prison, it was home to America's hardest prisoners up to 1963. The island is now a national park open to public. There are tours departing from Fisherman's Wharf several times a day. Make sure to reserve tickets well in advance as they are often sold out. The historic Pier 45 is a must-visit. Here you can see the vessels from the Second World War. There are also different old boats that have been restored. You can buy a ticket to tour them. A short stroll away is Pier 39. It offers a unique view of sea lions basking in the sun. It has a great assortment of shops, bars, and restaurants and is situated right on the bay. The pier also offers some fun activities for the entire family. You can also visit Ripley's Believe It or Not and the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. It is a few steps away from the pier. If you are lucky, you will get to see some vintage cars as you stroll around the city. Ghirardelli Square stands at one end of the Fisherman's Wharf. This well-loved landmark was formerly a chocolate factory established by an Italian immigrant. Today, the Ghirardelli Square consists of amazing shops and restaurants. We tried their caramel ice cream sundae. It was rich and decadent. This is the Lombard Street, a steep one-way street with 8 super sharp turns. You got to drive it to believe it. It is known as the crookedest street in the world. To take a quick breather, we treated ourselves to this pecan pie. Next is the Palace of Fine Arts, located halfway between the Fisherman's Wharf and the Golden Gate Bridge. This architectural masterpiece is inspired by Roman ruins. It is covered in greenery and surrounded by walkways and a peaceful lagoon. It is a perfect place for a quiet afternoon stroll. It is also a popular venue for exhibitions and weddings. Next day, we visited the Silicon Valley, the land that has shaped the world we live in. First, we visited LinkedIn, which is headquartered in Sunnyvale, California. Well, it doesn't need any explanation. Next, we visited the Google headquarters located in Mountain View City. They have a huge open park where you can chill and hang out. I loved their colorful bikes with the colors of Google on it. Before Google switched to a numbered naming scheme, starting with Android 10, the versions of its mobile operating system were named after desserts and other sugary things such as pie, Kit Kat, and ice cream sandwich. In the Google Android Statue Square Park, you get to see all the Android version statues. Starting with cupcake, donut, eclair, froyo, gingerbread, honeycomb, ice cream sandwich, jelly bean, Kit Kat, lollipop, marshmallow, Oreo, and pie. A common sight in California, Tesla cars. Then we went to the Facebook headquarters. Facebook's headquarters in Menlo Park sits on the edge of San Francisco Bay. The campus is huge that feels more like a town than an office. Don't forget to hit the like button on the video. The Instagram headquarters building is part of the Facebook headquarters campus in Menlo Park and is just one of Instagram's many office locations. Don't forget to click pictures at the Instagram icon. This is the Yahoo Headquarters located in Sunnyvale, California. Yahoo is an American web services provider. Next, we visited Intel, a multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California. It is the world's largest semiconductor chip manufacturer. Lastly, we ended our day by visiting the Apple headquarters. One Infinite Loop, also known as Apple Campus, was Apple's former headquarters in Cupertino, California. The inside of One Infinite Loop is restricted to employees. It was a fanboy moment for us as all our videos are shot on iPhones. You can also visit the Steve Jobs Theater located here that hosts Apple product launch events. In the area, there is also the company store where customers could purchase Apple branded merchandise and is exclusively available in the store. There are Apple branded t-shirts, pens, water bottles and whatnot. After visiting the Silicon Valley, we headed back to the Bay Area via the Bay Bridge. With that, we end the video here. The vibes and youthful energy you experience in San Francisco will guarantee you an unforgettable trip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.